My name is Jacob. I'm from the US. I'm from Boston. I'm a current rising sophomore at Boston University. I'm here for the summer. I'm doing like an entrepreneurship and consultancy program. And so I got paired with Arol, and I've been serving as kind of like a junior software engineer for the past couple weeks. I've got a couple more weeks left, and it's a lot of fun. I study computer science and political science. So I used to be really interested in like government and politics and economics and stuff like that. But then I kind of became disillusioned with it. You know, politics in the U.S. they're very inflammatory. It's very kind of disheartening sometimes to read the news. And I had taken the computer science class when I was in high school, and because of kind of how my scheduling worked out for my first semester, I decided to take a couple more just to see if I liked it, and I really enjoyed it. And combining that interest with my interest in politics, I realized that tech is a very powerful tool. It's kind of like it's a very strong means, and you can really use it to make an impact on people's lives. Tech can be very socially impactful. So that's how I intend or hope to merge my interest in political science and computer science. It's using tech as a means to have an impact on someone's life, and make it better or make the world a better place in general. So that's kind of how I hope to leverage software engineering in my future. So in university, the first couple classes that you take studying computer science, it's mostly like theoretical math. You're learning kind of the logic that goes behind coding and how to come up with solutions just based on logic to various types of mathematical problems. But applying it in code is a whole other different thing. All that logic and math that you learned, you actually have to type it out and do something with it, which isn't really experience that I had just from my classes at school. So here I've really gotten an opportunity to see what the code of an actual website looks like. I learned how to use React, which is kind of a framework for building a website, and a Next.js, which is like a framework built on top of that. And seeing kind of a website come to life with all that code and with all that logic you learned, it's not something I really have had a chance to see yet at school. But I really liked seeing it here, and I really liked seeing more of like a tangible impact that your code can have, which I think is really interesting. Arol has been super helpful. When I was kind of taken in, like I tried to make it clear, like I really don't have that much technical coding experience, like in very applicable situations. And he was like, that's totally fine. Like as long as you're willing to kind of learn and work with us, like we're gonna help. Like we'll teach you the basics. We'll give you that experience, which was super nice. Just kind of extending that opportunity. So of course I took it. I definitely learned a lot, and Arol is super helpful. He's always willing to help me out, and I've learned a tremendous amount that I'm definitely going to take back with me. The environment is great. I mean, the actual accommodations of the office are super nice. I have my own desktop. Like I have chargers, whatever I need. There's a kitchen, food, water. There's space to relax. Like we're like this area. It's been super welcoming though. Everyone is very nice. Everyone is super friendly and always willing to help. We've also had like a couple like birthday celebrations where we all go to the kitchen and eat food, and it feels more. It's very much like almost like a family setting. Everyone's very close. Everyone knows each other personally, which I think is very important, and I really like it.